Look at, stand up and looks at me and then goes, "Come on, Daddy, you're lagging." All right. Life is so hard, huh? Not like that. You're strong. Strong. Oh, that's what I was waiting for. See, that's the one. Daddy knows how to get it out. Mommy's a wimp. She goes
I'm
like this.
I'm erasing that from the footage.
Mommy goes like this.